Hello, this is Emmanuel, a public health specialist and a public health advocate here in Ethiopia, East Africa. Currently, I am a CEO of a public health consultancy company here in Ethiopia. And for the last 10 years, I've been working at different levels of the health structure here in Ethiopia and other countries in East Africa as well. In the future, I am looking to be a successful public health entrepreneur, focusing on sustainability, as sustainability is one of the issues missing from the health system in Ethiopia. Hence, by zooming in or focusing on sustainability through community engagement and mobilization, I am looking forward to becoming a successful entrepreneur. And by attending this leadership program, I intend to gain invaluable wisdom in making my future ambition a reality. Hence, I will be looking back to your feedback on my application. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.